In this video, I want to show you how to add Google Translator onto your Shopify store. So what you need is you're going to need to download Translate Pro. I'll include a link as well that you can go to download Translate Pro. And it should take more than a minute or two to actually do it. Hit the Add App, and it will show up in the back of your store underneath your apps. So once you've gone into the app, here you go. You'll be in the back end. So what Translate Pro will look like is this, but we're going to make some changes to it because this just looks hideous. So one of the things that's really important to Translate Pro is it creates an awesome user experience, right? Because we want to make it really good for users on your website. So if your website was black and red, maybe this would fit great. But if your website's like this one, then that's not going to work as well. So let's go into and see some of the features and make some of the changes in Translate Pro. Which helps Google Translator get onto your Shopify store. So the first thing is that Google Translator doesn't do is it doesn't auto detect locations, right? So Translate Pro will help you detect where your customer is from. And once it detects where your customer is from, it'll actually show you the language that they're from. So for example, someone in France will see French, right? Or someone in Germany may see German, right? Or somebody in the UK will see English. Right, so it detects the location of it. This is a pro feature, so there is a free trial on it. So try it with a free trial, and if you like it, use it. If you don't, there's also a base version. It just doesn't include stuff like the auto detection and a bunch of other cool features. Okay, so next we want to look at the positioning as well to put it nicely on your website. So here it's too close, so I'm going to move it over to this corner just so it'll look a lot nicer. And also it comes down, so I want to make it static, so I don't want to make it that it's going to keep on moving. My background's white, so I'm going to do a background. It's going to be white, and my color is going to be black. So my font color will be black, and my background color will be white. As well as the text, so I'm going to start using maybe a text. Like you see how the G's are different, so I'm not going to use that text. I'm going to use a different text. So there's a whole bunch of features behind here, which can go from menu size to font size to flag size. You can change a bunch of different things, say, on it, so that way it can actually look and feel with your website the way it should look. So now let me just save it. And there you go. So now it looks a lot better than it did before. The G's kind of match up. It's white. The flag sizes are nice. So it actually looks nice with this website. So based on whatever your website is, Google Translator can easily be implemented onto your Shopify store and look really nice. Because I think it's really important to have that user experience being really nice. And then you can go down. You can actually choose which languages you want, and you can also choose which ones you want featured. Right, and those are the ones that can show up as well. So if you hit a feature language here, it'll show up right at the top. Okay, so that's how you get Google Translator onto your Shopify store. You need Translate Pro, so I'll include a link. And there you go. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if there's anything else I can help you with, please let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.